So we wanted to try something. We have 2 potato beds here. So this one we tilled and derooted and added a whole bunch of compost because we pretty much just have dead gray sand out here. So beach sand. Not a lot of life in it. So we added a lot of compost and tilled it in. And this is holding water much better. And these potatoes are doing quite good. Now this bed, also potatoes, but we haven't watered it and we didn't add any compost. So this soil is still just the dry, dead sand that we had. There's a little bit of organic matter in there from the top ½ inch of topsoil that was under the grass, because this is what it was, just grassy pasture. And these are actually doing pretty good. And I've been intentionally not watering them to see if the rain alone and no compost will grow potatoes out here. And I'm shocked how well they're doing. This is probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks after planting. These were put in a week sooner, so they're a little bigger. But I don't know that they're actually doing better with all of the compost and frequent watering. But as much as this sand looks dead, try and find a spot that doesn't have roses. It's pretty much dry. But if you dig down just a couple inches, you probably see that. There's moisture in that sand. So there is enough organic matter that it is holding some moisture just below the surface. So it's not as dry and dead as it looks. But there is about 30 feet of sand here before there's clay. So the water, I thought, would drain away quite quickly. But it's actually holding enough rainwater to grow the potatoes. Some of them not coming up as well as the others. So I'll weed these rows next and finish hilling and weeding these guys. And do the corn. And then we will move on to the seed bed, which needs weeding. And yeah, that's garlic in there. That's meter tall weeds. So that'll be a fun video. But yeah, I'm pretty happy about my beach sand potatoes. Maybe the compost wasn't as necessary as I thought as we build the soil up here, but we'll see. We'll see how it yields, and we'll see how fast they grow compared to these ones. And all right, next video will be the next weeding.